Sadia Tech is a specialized name for calling cards. Use Sadia IP phone and ring to phones and talk anywhere in the world. Sadia Tech also offers many more prepaid calling cards. You can also buy KDDI, NTT, SoftBank, Komika, MCI Global and Super Zamzam card. Buy SmartPit ranging from 1000 to 5000 yen to recharge your phone anytime from convenience stores, your nearest halal food shops and agents. Talk to your near and dear ones at the cheapest call rate. Sadia Tech also deals in branded laptops and computers. Sadia Tech, the perfect communication.